In a world where time rushes by and distances grow, there are places that remind us of the magic of connection and the beauty of friendship. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, where every step is a journey and every moment is a memory waiting to be etched into our hearts. As the sun sets beyond the horizon, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink, friends find themselves on a voyage of not only discovering a land of wonder, but also discovering each other all over again. In the midst of Iceland's untamed beauty, amidst its roaring waterfalls and whispering winds, their bond grows stronger. Each experience, each shared laughter becomes a thread woven into the tapestry of their friendship. They conquer challenges together, support each other's fears, and embrace the exhilaration of the unknown. Through it all, Iceland stands witness as a silent companion to the growth of a bond that transcends miles and memories. And as their Icelandic adventure draws to a close, the memories remain, captured not just in photographs, but etched into their souls forever. For in Iceland, they found not only a land of natural wonders, but a sanctuary that nurtured their friendship. A place where time stood still, allowing them to rediscover the simple joys of togetherness. May we all find our own Iceland, a place where friendships are kindled and cherished, where every journey becomes a testament to the bonds that make life truly extraordinary.